Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect FundedNext to MetaTrader 5. So as you can see, I actually connected FundedNext and I'll show you how I did that. So first, come here at the top left, click on File, and when you get this drop down, click on Open an Account, okay? And then I want you to just search for FundedNext, just like that. Then click on Find Your Company. And now I want you to choose the correct one. So choose this one, FundedNext Limited. It's by FundedNext. Click here on Next. And this is the logo, by the way. So you can either go ahead and open a real account for live trading, or you can connect with an existing trade account. You just put in the login and password from your dashboard. And then you just choose the server. Make sure you choose the correct server. Otherwise, you'll not be able to connect. So choose your server and then click on finish, and as you can see, you'll actually be connected just like me. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.